Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's feeling very, very well. So today I thought we would do our June Lookiero. I never know whether I pronounced that correctly, actually. Yeah, it's got to be, isn't it? Lookiero. I don't know. Anyway, I have already looked to see what's inside this box. So I've already tried the clothes on. I thought I would try a different way of doing the video. So let me know in the comments down below whether you prefer this way or the old way. Just before I kick off the video, if you very much wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel, I am working very hard to try and reach my 2,000 goal of subscribers, and it's taken an absolute age to get there. So I really would appreciate your support and help just by subscribing. Very simple, just press that little button down there. Okie dokie. So Lookiero, for those of you that do not know, this is a clothing subscription. You can have it once a month, you can miss a month. You can basically kind of tweak it how you want to run your Lookiero subscription. You do have to fill out a little profile. I'm not sure the profiles actually really do work. I find the best way of the clothing subscriptions is if you definitely ask that you want a specific item, they will go ahead and try and get that for you. But I do feel if the stylists are choosing themselves, they don't really look at your profile and they will just kind of pick things that I feel personally not suited to my needs, wants and my tastes. So I've always had the stylist called Toby. When I looked inside the box, I kind of got the idea this has not been Toby that styled me, and I was absolutely right. A new stylist called Chloe. I emailed Lookiero because I wanted to know if Toby had left. They had decided to give me a new stylist because I hadn't brought anything from Lookiero 3 boxes. So I have writ back and said, no, hang on a minute, I would like Toby back as my stylist, just because I don't buy, you know, the economy is like in the toilet at the moment. I'm definitely going to sort of scale back on what I'm spending. It's not to say that I don't like the boxes anyway. So I from the next box I will have actually Toby back. So there we go. Okay, you do have to pay a £10 styling fee if you buy anything from the box, so that £10 will be deducted. If you buy nothing though, you will lose that £10 styling fee. You do get a little bit of paperwork inside. The first piece are some styling cards. So the pieces you get, they kind of style these that, you know, you may have pieces in your wardrobe that will go with the items they select for you. You get a invoice, you get a little card. This just tells you that if you try Lookiero, you'll get 10% discount. I'll get a £10 credit. I'll leave my link down below if you want to give Lookiero a try. And then you get a letter from your stylist. This just indicates what to put with what and how to style it. Okay. So I've already done the try on. I've already done the videos for the try on. So what I'm going to do is go through the pieces, put the video up so you can see it, and I'll give you my thoughts, what I think of the items. Okay, so the first thing I tried on for you was, and also just to let you know that you do get a little bag. So anything you don't want, you pop back in the bag, take it to your local depot and they will come pick it up. Okie dokie, so the first item I tried was this little black top. So quite casual top, quite cute, quite nice. Not one for shirts and blouses. I don't like ironing, and that's one of the reasons why I don't bother really with shirts and blouses, I'm afraid. I'm not a shirt blouse sort of girl. So as you can see from the video, I do like it on. I like the colour black on me. I really just feel like it suits me a lot. This shirt is by B. Young. It's called the By Georgina shirt. It's a V-neck, it's black, it's £34.99, which I think is quite expensive for a shirt. However, the quality's there, it's very soft. This feels like kind of silky. But yeah, it's nice. It is nice. but no, not for me. Did I tell you the size? I didn't tell you the size, did I? Size 40, whatever that is. Large. UK 12. Since when has the UK 12 been a size large? Anyway, so that's the first item there. Next, I tried on the jeans. I don't know how many times I've got to say to Lookiero that I do not want any jeans. I don't want any soft jeans, and I certainly don't want any skinny jeans. I'm happy to try bootcut jeans, but again, I get the old, yeah. These are not even, to me, these are not even real jeans. These are these jeggings things. I really don't like them. The stretch is unreal. They show up all my lumps and bumps, as you can see from the video. They don't suit me at all. I don't like them. And I think it's this brand actually. So I have asked again that I don't have any jeans from Kamakama because they just don't suit me. They don't look good on me. And, you know, when you're paying sort of money for jeans, you at least want to have them comfy and fit nicely. So, no, they're definitely not for me. So, as I said, they were by Kamakama. They are called the Car Storm jeans. The colour is blue and they were £32. Okay, next I tried on was this little top here. This is cute. I love the colour. If you look closely, I don't know whether you guys are going to be able to pick it up. It does have kind of like a ribbed look to it, although it's not ribbed, but it does have like sort of ribbed look to it. It also has little sparkles in it, and it has got the I don't know what do they call that? Rounded bottom, short sleeve, V-neck, which I do like. The feel of this is beautiful. I like this on. Very nice. And this is by Be Young. This is called the by Sylvia. It's the t-shirt. The colour is rust. The cost is £24.99. So yeah, quite like that. It was all right. Okay, next item was a cardigan. So this is by Villa. This is the Vibe Block cardigan. The colour's taupe, and this would be £30, which I didn't think was too bad. It's quite nice looking at it. Quite detailed, quite long. Quite like it. It's alright. It's alright. So I like the fit on this. I love the material. I would actually be a little bit worried about actually washing this because it's so soft. But yeah, very nice indeed. And then last but not least, we have, this is by Kamakama again. This is a Karush dress knee. This is a whopping £55. So as you can see from the video, it's like a shirt dress and it's got poppers on it. It's got two little pockets here. It does it. I tried it on the front. I didn't quite like it. I tried tying it up at the back. I like that better. It's got the V-neck here. It's quite thin. You see right through it. Perfect for the summer months, I think. It was a good length on me, which I really do like. Just not sure whether I'm happy with paying £55 for it, although £10 of it will come off, so that will take it down to £45. But it's all right. I quite liked it. Yeah, it's probably my favourite piece actually out of all of it. Okay, so the total of this box came to £176.98. Take off your £10 styling fee. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount of £41.74. That takes the whole box down to £125.24. Okay, so I'm not sure about this box. There's nothing there that I really dislike. Equally nothing there that if I saw it hanging up in a shop that I probably would kind of go for it. I don't know how clear I can be about the jeans. I do not want any more skinny jeans, and I certainly don't want them from that company, because they just, for my body type, they just don't work. They do not work for me. Okay, well, that's it. Leave your comments down below as usual. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget, please subscribe, hit that button down below. I would really appreciate it. Please take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Take care, bye. Mwah.